Greetings. In this video I'm going to answer the question, where is the power steering fluid located on your 2012, 2011, 1098 Chevy Malibu car? And I got some power steering fluid for my Chevy Malibu. Where is the steering wheel fluid located so I could put in the reservoir? Unfortunately, Chevrolet Malibus do not take power steering fluid. So if you're having an issue with it grinding back and forth, preferably not, the issue would be the power steering pump that's located inside the vehicle. And it's a costly repair. The pump itself is only $200, but to get a mechanic to do it, if you can't do it yourself, is about $400 to $500 to change this power steering pump. So unfortunately, there is no power steering reservoir for the Chevy Malibu 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. So you will not find it on here. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.